Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, Greg Simon, and I hope everyone has been having an uncomfortable last few days since my last upload. I hope everyone's been enjoying the channel, enjoying the content, and taking all the advice to heart, following all the steps that I hope everyone is becoming from betas into alphas. Now in today's video, I'm going to be talking about something important actually, and it's called how to eat cereal like an alpha male. So let's begin. Now, eating cereal is an important part of the breakfast. I think, like I discussed in the Alpha Male morning routine or the previous video that I uploaded talking about eating breakfast, is you only want to have breakfast like 3.2 times a week or 4.2 times a week in particular, because that's the right and ideal amount of time to be eating breakfast. So you're not overdoing it, and so you're not being unsmooth and doing it too much. Now, the crucial part about eating cereal in the morning is being smooth while you're eating cereal. Helps you lock in your need to be smooth all day. That is absolutely crucial. So, here is a bowl of cereal, right? Normally, when people eat cereal, they're like, "Whoa, looks weak, takes away from your presence, isn't smooth." So, that is not how you want to be eating cereal. Now, real alpha males eat cereal like this. Firstly, you got to do your morning chest pounding. Number one priority, very important. Second thing is you got to go a couple of times, all right? Ready to eat the cereal, show that you're about to demolish it. Lastly, go like this, be really smooth, and eat that cereal like a man, like a real alpha male. That's absolutely crucial that you follow these steps every morning when you eat your cereal, so you can go from beta to alpha in just a few months. Peace out, guys.